Hey guys, this is my 2015 WR250F. It's pretty much as new. So I'm having a couple of issues with it. I don't know if they're issues or just how they are, but we'll get started with the hard cold starting. I mean, my older 2013 WR starts pretty much straight away. So my normal procedure is we find the choke, get the choke, pop that out, start button. Now this is a completely cold engine, right? Haven't started it today, completely cold. We'll give it a couple of clicks. Nothing. My dogs hate the bikes. Sounds like it almost wants to go. It's the second time. Third time, it fires up. Now, as it's warming up, there's a little bit of smoke that comes out of the tailpipe. Taking a poop. Great. So as you can see, it's smoked a little bit, but now the smoke seems to have gone as it's warmed up. I'm going to just take it for a quick ride and then I'll give another rev test, pretty much what I've done now. But I mean, it seemed a bit excessive, the amount of smoke that was coming out of it before. Is this normal? That is my question. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you can let me know if it's normal.